Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today, I will deliver lecture on President Election Part 2, in which I will give solution of some problems on vote value in presidential election. In my previous video lecture, I have already mentioned the formula for calculating the vote value of an MLA and an MP in presidential election. Today, I will give solution of some problems related to vote values of MLA and MP in presidential election. Now we solve a problem. Problem is, in presidential election, the candidate A gets 11 votes, in which the candidate A gets 5 MLA votes and 6 MP votes, and candidate B gets 14 votes, in which the candidate B gets 10 MLA votes and 4 MP votes from Bihar state. Find that which candidate will get more weightage of vote values from Bihar state. Now we solve this. Since in Bihar state, the vote value of an MLA is 173 and vote value of an MP equal to 708 in any state of India. Therefore, from Bihar, the candidate A will get vote values 5 MLA votes. Since vote value of an MLA in Bihar state equal to 173, so this will be equal to 173 multiply 5 MLA votes. Since vote value of an 1 MLA vote equal to 173, therefore vote value of 5 MLA vote will be 173 multiply 5 plus 6 MP vote. Vote value of an MP vote equal to 708. Therefore, vote value of 6 MP will be 708 multiply 6. This equal to 173 multiply 5 equal to 865 plus 708 multiply 6 equal to 4248. If we add these, we will get 5113. Now we have to find the vote value obtained by candidate B, and this will be equal to, since vote value of an MLA from Bihar state equal to 173 multiply here 10 MLA votes, 10 plus vote value of an MP from Bihar state is 708 multiply number of MPs be here 4. This equal to 1730 plus 708 multiply 4 equal to 2832, and if we add these, we will get 4562. This is number 1 and this is number 2. From 1 and 2 we get 5113 is greater than 4562, and this amount is the vote value obtained by candidate A. Therefore, vote values obtained by A is greater than vote value obtained by B. That is, candidate A gets more weightage of vote value from Bihar state. Now we solve problem number 2. Problem is, in presidential election, a candidate gets 19 votes, in which the candidate will get 15 MLA votes and 4 MP votes from Jharkhand state, and he gets 17 votes, in which he gets 13 MLA votes and 4 MP votes from UP state. Question is, find that from which state he will get more weightage of vote value. Here, from Jharkhand, the candidate will get 19 votes, and from UP 17 votes. Means from Jharkhand, the candidate will get more votes. Now we have to find that from which state the candidate will get more weightage of vote values. Since in Jharkhand state, vote value of an MLA is 176, and in UP, the vote value of an MLA is 208. And we also know that vote value of an MP in entire country be 708. Now we have to calculate the vote value obtained from Jharkhand state and vote value obtained from UP state. The candidate will get vote values from Jharkhand state. From Jharkhand state, the candidate will get 15 MLA votes. Since vote value of 1 MLA in Jharkhand state is 176, therefore vote value of 15 MLA from Jharkhand state will be 176 multiply 15 plus. Now 4 MP votes from Jharkhand state. Since vote value of an 1 MP is 708, therefore vote value of 4 MP will be 708 multiply 4, and this will be 176 multiply 15 is 2640, and 708 multiply 4 is 2832, and sum of these be 5472. This is number 1. Now the candidate will get vote values from UP state. From UP state, the candidate will get 13 MLA votes. Since vote value of an MLA in UP state is 208, therefore vote value of 13 MLA from UP state will be 208 multiply 13. Since vote value of 1 MP is 708, therefore here we get 4 MPs. Vote value of 4 MPs will be 708 multiply 4, Here 208 multiply 13 equal to 2804 plus 708 multiply 4 is 2832. Sum of these will be 5536. This is number 2. From 1 and 2 we get that here 2 is greater than 1. Since here we have 5536. 5536 and here 5472, and this amount is from UP state. Therefore, vote value obtained from UP state is greater than vote value obtained from Jharkhand. Therefore, candidate will get more weightage of vote values from UP state. Now we solve problem number 3. Problem is, in presidential election, a candidate gets 21 votes from Himachal state, in which he will get 20 MLA votes and 1 MP votes from Himachal state, and he gets 7 votes from West Bengal, in which he gets 5 MLA votes and 2 MP votes. Here number of votes in Himachal state is 21 and number of votes in West Bengal is 7. In Himachal state, the candidate will get more votes. Now we have to find that from which state the candidate will get more weightage of vote values. Now we calculate this. Since in Himachal state vote value of an MLA is only 51 and in West Bengal the vote value of an MLA is 151. The vote value of an MP in entire country be 708. Firstly, we have to find the vote value obtained by the candidate from Himachal state. Since in Himachal state vote value of an MLA equal to 51 and he gets 20 MLA votes from Himachal Pradesh. Therefore, vote value of 20 MLA votes will be 51 multiplied 20. And he gets 1 MP vote. Vote value of an 1 MP is 708 multiplied 1 MP. And 51 multiplied 20 is 0 to 10 plus 708. If we add these, we will get 1728. This is number 1. The candidate will get vote values from West Bengal. Since in West Bengal, vote value of an MLA is 151. He gets 5 MLA votes from West Bengal. So, vote value of 5 MLA votes will be 151 multiplied 5 plus vote value of an MP is 708. He gets 2 MP votes from West Bengal. So, vote value of 2 MP votes will be 708 multiplied 2. 151 multiplied 5 equal to 755 and 708 multiplied 2 equal to 1416. And if we add these, we will get 2171. This is number 2. Now, from 1 and 2, we get that 2 is greater than 1. Means 2171 is greater than 1728. And this is the figure from West Bengal. So the candidate will get the vote values from West Bengal is greater than vote value obtained from Himachal. Therefore, the candidate will get more weightage of vote values from West Bengal state. In West Bengal state, the candidate gets only 7 votes. In Himachal, 21 votes. In spite of this, the candidate will get more vote values from West Bengal. Now we solve problem number 4. In this problem, we have in presidential election, a candidate gets 41 votes from Tripura state, in which he will get 40 MLA votes and 1 MP votes. Find that what amount of vote values obtained by the candidate from Tripura state. Now we solve this. Since we know that in Tripura, vote value of an MLA is 26 and vote value of an MP in entire country is 708. So, vote value obtained by the candidate in Tripura state will be, vote value of an MLA is 26, number of MLA 40 who cast vote to the candidate. So, vote value of 40 MLA votes in Tripura state will be 26 multiply 40 plus 1 MP votes. Since vote value of 1 MP vote is 708, so 1 MP vote will be multiply 1. Now 26 multiply 40 equal to 1040 plus 708. This is equal to 1748. Therefore, the candidate will get vote values from Tripura state equal to 1748. In this way, we are able to find the vote values obtained by any candidate from any state. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.